full of salad. I'm planning to release 2 books.
Belly? Where are we going? Well, I guess you don't know, huh? Aw. We're going to celebrate New Year's. Ah! No! No, don't move! No! No!
Okay, 3, 2, 1.
What? That's it?
That's it.
Okay.
When the fireworks banging and screaming and yelling and everyone's having a good time except for dogs, owners and the animals in the sky.
Varsågod. Det är 2 stycken. Ja. Det är bra.
I'm addicted. So I've been having this craving for salad for like a week, and finally I bought the ingredients for it, and I made it. And I made this huge bowl of it, full of salad. Yes, I already ate some, so it's not it's not in the original fullness, but yeah, that's the salad.
So you wouldn't have been mad if I bought myself a burger?
No, if you have bought me one too.
I wanted to buy burgers!
Well, you should have.
But this looks good, so...
Yeah, I hope you like it. It took me a long time, like over an hour.
Oh, that's not long. That's a good job, I mean, I'm very...
It took me so long to cut everything.
Well,
You
good.
can add more sauce if you want. But
You
I
already
added-
put your sauce?
Yes. You didn't feel it?
I did.
It's minus 25 degrees outside. And he's gonna just, splash hot water, boiling water.
Are you ready?
Yeah, go ahead. Throw boiling water. Wow. Oh, it's like fireworks but white.
Let's go inside.
Yes.
There.
Oh, the first try was better. It's been a while since I talked to the camera, so it's gonna be a bit awkward. Especially when my significant other can hear everything.
What?
Of course. So, since it's 2024, and usually people, you know, have goals for a new year, I have some goals too. And I thought that maybe I should just share some because some are related to the books. Maybe some of you want to know, you know, what I'm releasing this year or what I'm not releasing this year. Anyways, I guess I'll just jump into it. The most major thing is that I'm planning to release 2 books. One, I would say at least at the end of this summer, and then another one shortly after, like maybe autumn. And so because I want to release them during that period because that's when the action is happening. It's happening like in the summer, in autumn. So I thought that's, you know, very relevant. With the books that I already released, I want to release hardcover versions since I only have them available in paperback and ebook. So hopefully I'll do that. Then that's like my kind of goal is to, very personal I guess, is to participate in a writing contest. There is this one, I think, hosted by Thalia. I'll try to do that and maybe win something or maybe not, you know, just fun. Because you just have to upload a short story and I don't really write short stories, so it's just a nice challenge. Now fourth actually, not third, is to maybe, I'm considering to post my current project on Patreon. I don't know, maybe 1 chapter a week. Since I'm already editing the first book, so I thought, oh, maybe some people would like to get an early access to it, even though it's not gonna be the same as it's gonna be released, most likely. I don't know, I'm just considering that. And last but not least, or actually last, yes, is to vlog every week, which is I'm really bad at. It's just because I'm shy, because I don't live alone. It's very hard for me to do things on my own when there's someone else watching. I'm already late making this thing because I know I have to talk with the camera. It doesn't make sense, does it?
Grow up.
It's just so weird to talk to a camera while someone else is in the room, and I can't go really in other rooms because you can hear it everywhere, and in other books in another rooms it doesn't look as nice as it does here. So that's that. I think that's the end of the first vlog of the year. Because I don't think I'm gonna film more until at least Saturday. Oh, you should maybe, if you want, you can tell your own goals for this year, you know, top 5 or maybe 1, at least, you know, focus on 1. It's a good thing. So bye bye, I'll see you in another video, hopefully.